Covid yaraje iza ndimo kwiga i Masaka mu kigo cy'abafite ubumuga bwo kutabona. Twagiye mu mazu nyine y'ikigo tubamo, ikigo baragifunga.
Twese tujya muri guma mu rugo, akazi aho twakoreraga ntabwo byabaye ngombwa ko tukihakorera.
Nagendaga ncumbika, ubwo gace ejo bakanyirukana mu nzu nkajya mu yindi.
Since the outbreak of the COVID-19 pandemic, UNDP Rwanda country office supported the national response to contain the spread of the virus and also supported the national recovery plan from negative effects of the pandemic and building back better and inclusive and the greener socio-economic sectors. UNDP country office, in partnership with Japan supplement budget, supported the screening of communities, especially in public gatherings. This support of around $1.2 million were channeled through the Ministry of ICT and Innovation and the Ministry of Health. The government of Japan has also provided another financial support through UNDP Rwanda office to help ex-combatants and the cooperatives of people with disability, youth and women whose businesses were most hit by the COVID-19 pandemic. These cooperatives used this money to revamp their businesses or develop new innovative businesses to cope with negative impact of the pandemic. DRC has received around 8,000 USD from UNDP to support ex-combatants of the 65 phase to cope with the negative impact. Due to these resources, around 63 cooperatives of around 6,550 members were helped to rebuild the economy and increase the income after the pandemic.
After we received another support from Japan through UNDP, and I sincerely thank Japan for supporting this important undertaking. We were obliged to try to meet some expectation of the people, especially the most vulnerable people, by providing them support to lift them up as they had been severely affected by COVID-19 pandemic.
More attention was given to these special groups associated with ex-combatants, especially women, children, and the people with disability, as protective measures in the design, implementation, as well as implementation stage of disarmament, demobilization, and reintegration programs, because these are the most vulnerable groups of society and were the most affected by the pandemic. In addition, researches has proven that the inclusion and engagement of this category of the society have been instrumental to achieve the intended impact.
Inkunga yampinduriye ubuzima kuko icyo gihe nari ncumbitse aho ni umucumbitsi yiriwe none ejo siho arara. Icyo gihe rero nkimara kubona inzu byampaye umutekano muri gihe hari cyagabanutse mu bibazo nari mfite.
Komisiyo yaramfashije injyana ku kigo njya ku ishuri kwiga imyuga, niga ubudozi. Turangije kwiga baradufashije,
bampaye ibikoresho bijyanye n'umwuga nize. Ubu nta kibazo, naratashye ndi mu rugo, igikoresho bampaye imashini, ubu ndi kugikoresha nta kibazo, ntago nasabiriza ndenze ku iyo mashini.
Iyo mpunga narishyize mu buhinzi. Mw'ubwo buhinzi bwarantunze, butunga n'abavandimwe. Abona haga kwa ayo mafaranga barampingiraga bakabona ifunguro.
by'umwihariko komisiyo n'abafatanyabikorwa babashije kudufasha bakatuba hafi.
Turi mu mazu yacu twubatse, turarya neza, baratwitaho uko bwije uko bukeye, baradusura aho turi, bakabasha kubona ubuzima bwacu turimo.
Ndabashimira cyane ku bumenyi bagiye batugezaho, ku nkunga bagiye batugezaho. Ndabashimiye, ndabasaba kugira ngo bakomeze bafashe n'abandi bagenzi bacu bari mu buzima bubi kugira ngo nabo bagere mu buzima bwiza, nabo bakomeza biteza imbere.
A strong and positive message to both of them. First of all, to the Japanese government, a big vote of thanks goes to them, for they have chosen to intervene at the right time when really people needed that support. That support has helped people not only to fight against COVID-19, but also to uplift their socio-economic and even health status. That is a message to the Japanese government. And a message to UNDP as a partner. I thank them for undertaking those resource mobilization activities, and that alone is done through advocacy. They advocated for us, they advocated for the needy people, and then the Japanese government responded positively. Going back to the Japanese government, as they happen to be our main partner and stakeholder. We happen to have a strong partnership, an existing partnership since many years. They have been helping DRC in skills training to beneficiaries and many other components. So I am confidently, on behalf of DRC, looking forward to collaborating and working closely with them as far as many components related to the integration process are concerned.